me, white like me. You don't even know it's the rope of us. Wrong like you, wrong like you. Everything inside is just space dust bullshit. I don't know what you've been speaking, baby. You've been smoking angel dust and acting like it's David Copperfield fist. I don't know because it's just a moon mist. All the ICP boys singing with my backseat. I don't listen to you, baby. Listen in the black street. If you wanna hit a hoe, harder to the juggalo. Tell me what I didn't know. Running with the gutter thugs. I don't even have this dog. I don't wanna own a pub. I don't really want a dog, but I'll end up with a few. If you wanna see me in the yard having barbecue, tell me once, I will tell you one too. We don't gotta deliver the people from the bad news. Wake it up, shake it up, baby, that still comes through. I don't have to tell you that I'm sick of what is taboo. Blending in with the trend, fuck you wanna had it. Coming down from the attic, you shaking like the black magic. We are coming for you. Your satanic shit has gotta end. I don't wanna get up in your head. I don't wanna lay in bitches' beds. I'ma cut the throats. I'ma take the scene. I'ma have to do. I'ma make a good breed. You don't know the truth. You don't see the blood. I just see the cloth from the seeds from the raw. You could read it twice. You could say it's nice. I can see the things you don't wanna believe. Make the decision. You're not smart enough to get this. When you make that decision, you leave prison. When you make that decision, you leave prison. When you make that decision, you leave prison.